triangles. Yesterday we talked about angles. Today we want to take a look at triangles and what that really does entail. So let's come over here. We're going to go to this one right here. You'll notice that all these angles are smaller than 90 degrees. So this one here is going to be an acute angle, okay, an acute triangle. And then if you notice this one right here, by the way, let's stay with this one for a second. Not only is it acute, but we could literally say that this angle right here is also, put it in red, is also, if we split this right down the middle, and of course I didn't put it right down the middle. Let's see if I can grab it. And of course it's not letting me slide that over, so I'm not able to grab it. Doesn't really matter. There we go, got it on there. If you'll notice on this that it is split down the middle and that both sides of it looks the same. And if you guys remember our conversations before, whenever you saw it in half and had two legs that are exactly the same, it's an isosceles triangle. So this line and this line are the same. If this one here was 8 meters, how long would this be? 8 meters, okay? But that means that these angles right here are exactly the same. These two angles and these two sides are exactly the same. So this is called an isosceles, an acute isosceles triangle. This one here is, if you will notice, all the sides look like they're equal. And how do we know that on a piece of paper? If they have these lines, and if there's 3 of them, that means that this one here is an equal. I guess I probably ought to put an I in there instead of the A. Oops. Equilateral, that's an equilateral triangle. But it's also, can I saw it in half? It's also an isosceles triangle. What degree would this be? Well, I know that all triangles, all of them, every single one of them on this page, and every one of them that exists, they all have 180 degrees. And if I have 3 angles that are the same, I just need to divide it by 3 to find out what each angle is. 3 are going to 18, 6 times, it's 18. You get 0 down, placeholder. Each one of those degrees are 60 degrees, okay? Just so that you know that. Over here, this here, the corner of a piece of paper would be a really good way to tell if this is a 90, because it would reveal if it was actually an 89 or if it was like a 91. If it's 90, it is called a right triangle. And this one over here, because it goes greater than 90, it is obtuse. So this is just a quick rundown. Oh, one other angle is a scalene. A scalene means that all the sides are different lengths. So if I look right here, that's a really long one. This is the next long one, and then this one. If they are of different lengths, it's a scalene. If they are the same length, it's not a scalene, okay? That's just a quick little video on triangles.